the Kolonaki neighborhood of Athens at Nice and Easy restaurant, which is known for fresh Mediterranean flavors and a real farm-to-table approach. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness.
It's delicious.
It's delicious. You're right, it's delicious.
Very, very fresh fish, which tastes so fresh. Sea bass.
It's sea bass. We put it in grill for 3 minutes. First time we put it from the skin because we serve it with the skin. That's why.
This horse, is that a potato?
Yes, it's potatoes in espuma way with heno.
It's wonderful. The sea bass is so light and delicate. And you've got Greek tomatoes, and everything here is really local, isn't it?
Yes. Our owners want a lot of things in that restaurant to use bio things. They don't want to use everything is somewhere.
From somewhere else.
Yes, yes. And we buy everything from farmers.
Fantastic.
Yes.
In this kind of atmosphere, which is so different than people would think of a Greek restaurant. Names on the menu are so lovely.
Yes.
It's a nice neighborhood, and you have.
Yes, our chef has find all the names of actors or singers, and has do the dishes about their personality.
Really? That's so
yes,
cool.
yes. If you see Marlon Brando, perhaps a burger, it's a burger, but it's a large burger.
So this is the Elvis Presley.
Yes, this is Elvis Presley. Sweet and hot.
Yeah, you're right. A little spicy.
And spicy.